Girl, you're missing out if you still haven't tried the blue skincare from Medicube. Watch the magic happen. Firstly, using the Zero Pore Deep Cleansing Oil, it will pull out all of the sebaceous filaments out of my pores. Then, following up with a water-based cleanser to make sure the oil doesn't stay inside my pores. Lastly, to take the deepest gunk out of my pores and make sure they're all sealed, I'm gonna be using the Medicube mask. That mask is just doing wonders. Leave it for 5 minutes and here you go, as you can see. Then we will massage it into our face and gently exfoliate our skin. And then whatever is left from the mask on the face, remove it with a damp, warm towel. To seal my pores and keep them hydrated, I love using Zero Pore toner pads. They will do all the job and make sure your skin doesn't feel sticky at all.